Ever wondered how secure your digital assets truly are? In a world where our lives are increasingly intertwined with our smartphones, the security of our mobile wallets is paramount. We use them for everything from quick tap-and-pay transactions to managing our cryptocurrency portfolios. But when it comes to something as vital as a Beam wallet, does it really need face verification? Let's dive into this. Beam is a cryptocurrency known for its privacy-focused nature, built on the Mimblewimble protocol. This means transactions are designed to be confidential, hiding sender, receiver, and transaction amounts. So, the very core of Beam is about anonymity and security on the blockchain level. But what about the wallet itself, the interface you interact with daily? When we talk about face verification, or Face ID, we're talking about a biometric security measure. It uses unique physical characteristics, like your facial features, to authenticate your identity. For mobile wallets in general, biometrics offer a convenient and often more secure alternative to traditional passwords or PINs. Think about it, a password can be stolen, forgotten, or even guessed. Your face, however, is a much harder key to compromise. Many popular mobile wallets, particularly those integrated into operating systems like Apple Pay and Google Pay, extensively leverage Face ID or Touch ID for transaction authentication. This provides an immediate layer of security. You initiate a payment, and your phone prompts you for a quick glance or finger scan to confirm it's really you. This friction, though minimal, is a critical step in preventing unauthorized access and fraudulent transactions. Now, specifically for Beam Wallet. While Beam itself emphasizes privacy on the blockchain, the application you use to access your Beam coins needs robust security. Beam's iOS wallet, for example, does indeed offer biometric identification like Face ID or Touch ID for secure operation. This isn't about compromising the privacy of your transactions on the Beam blockchain, it's about securing access to your specific wallet on your personal device. Without it, anyone who gains access to your unlocked phone could potentially access and drain your Beam funds. Consider the potential risks. If your phone is lost or stolen, and your Beam wallet is only protected by a simple PIN, a determined individual could gain access. With face verification, even if they know your PIN, they still can't get into your wallet without your unique biometric data. It adds a crucial layer of defense, especially when dealing with assets that, by their nature, are designed for high privacy and often irreversible transactions. Some might argue that biometrics aren't foolproof. There have been instances where facial recognition systems have been bypassed. However, these are often under very specific and controlled conditions, and for the vast majority of everyday users, Face ID offers a significantly higher level of security than a simple passcode. The convenience factor is also undeniable. A quick glance is far less cumbersome than typing out a complex password every time you want to check your balance or make a small transaction. Ultimately, the question of whether Beam Wallet needs face verification boils down to your personal security posture and risk tolerance. Given the value and irreversible nature of cryptocurrency transactions, having every possible layer of security is generally recommended. Face verification, alongside strong seed phrase management and regular software updates, forms a critical part of a comprehensive security strategy for your digital assets. It acts as the gatekeeper to your funds on your device, ensuring that even if your phone falls into the wrong hands, your Beam remains secure. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.